Why are there not more people talking about ecosystem services? Let's change that. Ecosystem services are the hidden superheroes of our planet. They're the benefits we get from nature, like clean air, fresh water, and fertile soil. Think of forests. They act like giant sponges, soaking up rainwater to prevent floods. Bees and butterflies. They're our natural pollinators, ensuring we have fruits and veggies. Even wetlands are vital. They filter pollutants, keeping our water clean. These services aren't just good for the environment, they're essential for our survival. So next time you enjoy a sunny park or a fresh apple, remember, it's all thanks to ecosystem services. Spread the word and let's protect our planet's unsung heroes. Stay curious and keep exploring.